If your iPhone 17 keeps dropping Wi-Fi, losing signal, or refusing to connect after a recent update, the problem might be hiding in your network settings. Sometimes a small misconfiguration or corrupted network file can cause these random connection errors. Luckily, you can fix all of that in just a few steps by resetting your network settings. Before you begin, remember that this reset will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, VPNs, and Bluetooth pairings. It won't delete your apps, photos, or other personal data, just your network preferences. Once you're ready, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset to view available reset options. From the list, choose Reset Network Settings. When prompted, enter your Face ID or passcode to proceed. A warning message will appear. Tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will then restart while it clears all saved Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth configurations, restoring them to factory defaults. This clean slate helps remove network glitches or conflicting data that might have built up over time. Once your iPhone powers back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering your password and pair your Bluetooth accessories again. You should now notice smoother, more stable connectivity overall. And that's it. Your iPhone 17 is now running on a fresh set of network settings, ready to connect without errors. If this video helped you fix your connection issues, please give it a like and check out our other iPhone tutorials to master your device even more. Thanks for watching.